For the best price, click the link in the description /N. Are you a music enthusiast looking to take your skills to the next level, or perhaps a parent seeking to introduce your child to the world of music? If so, I'm sure you've come across the Yamaha YPT-280, an electronic keyboard designed for beginners and intermediate learners. But here's what surprised me when I dug deeper into this product. /N. Most keyboards on the market are either too simple or too complex for beginners, but not the Yamaha YPT-280. This instrument is specifically engineered to provide a seamless learning experience. Therefore, let's dive into the key features that make it stand out from the crowd. Stay tuned as we explore the details of this keyboard and find out if it lives up to its promises. /N. The Yamaha YPT-280 boasts an impressive array of 61 full-size keys, making it ideal for learning complex songs and pieces. But what truly sets it apart is its built-in lessons, which cater to all skill levels from absolute beginners to those looking to improve their technique. Therefore, let's take a closer look at these features and how they can benefit you. /N. As we begin our deep dive into the Yamaha YPT-280, keep in mind that this keyboard is designed with portability and ease of use in mind. It's perfect for practicing at home or taking to music classes. However, its versatility also extends to performance, making it a great option for aspiring musicians. /N. In terms of sound quality, the Yamaha YPT-280 delivers an authentic piano experience with rich tones and depth. But what you might be wondering is how this keyboard handles more complex sounds and genres. Therefore, let's explore some of its additional features that will take your music to new heights. /N. One of the standout aspects of the Yamaha YPT-280 is its compatibility with a variety of styles, from classical to jazz and pop. The instrument comes equipped with over 400 built-in voices, which can be easily selected using the intuitive menu system. However, what really sets this keyboard apart is its ability to connect seamlessly with your smartphone or tablet via Yamaha's dedicated app. /N. This innovative technology allows you to record, edit, and share your music like never before. But let's get back to some of the more practical considerations. What about the power requirements and storage space? Therefore, let's examine these details and see how they impact your overall experience. /N. The Yamaha YPT-280 operates on 6D batteries or via an AC adapter, making it a great option for travel. However, the keyboard itself is relatively lightweight at just over 10 pounds, ensuring that you can easily transport it to lessons or performances. Therefore, let's talk about some of the other benefits and limitations that you should be aware of. /N. While the Yamaha YPT-280 excels in many areas, there are a few drawbacks to consider. Some users have reported issues with connectivity and software updates, which may require some technical know-how to resolve. However, these minor hiccups are far outweighed by the numerous advantages this keyboard offers. We're getting close to wrapping up our review of the Yamaha YPT-280, but before we do, let's summarize what we've covered and look at some real-world applications. /N. In conclusion, the Yamaha YPT-280 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their musical skills or introduce their child to music. Its portability, ease of use, and rich sound quality make it a versatile instrument that can be used in various settings. Therefore, if you're considering purchasing this keyboard, I highly recommend giving it a try. For the best price, click the link in the description.